Hiya, I'm Mackenzie, and I will be showing you how to do reflections over the x-axis, the y-axis, and the y equals x line. Now, it's pretty simple. I think what people really don't realize is how simple it actually is, because it all has to do with what we call a mirror line. Now, the mirror line is really just talking about the x-axis, or the y-axis is your mirror line. So when you're reflecting over the y-axis, the y-coordinate doesn't change because it is your mirror line. If you're reflecting over the x-axis, your x-coordinate doesn't change because it is the mirror line, and it stays the same because it's reflecting that x-coordinate. And when you're going over the xy line, however, it's much different, and you can't apply the mirror line concept to the xy line. Now, let's say, for example, we had a point. So if we're trying to reflect this point over the y-axis, we would change the x-coordinate and not the y-coordinate, because the y-coordinate stays the same because y is the mirror line. So when we would be taking, for example, the point to -2, -2 would stay the same because y is the mirror line and -2 is the y-coordinate. However, the positive x-coordinate 2 would then change to -2, leaving us with our new point. However, if we were going to reflect over the x-axis instead of the y, the opposite would be true. Since x is now our mirror line, the x-coordinate will stay the same and the y-coordinate will not. So for example, if you have the point to -2, our original point, it would then change to +2 because the y-coordinate is changing and the x is staying the same. However, this concept does change when you're referring to something called the y equals x line. Now, the reason that it changes is because you are no longer flipping over a mirror line. The y-axis has a mirror line because you can keep the y-coordinate the same, and so does the x for the same reasons. However, when you are when you are reflecting over the y equals x line, you have to change both coordinates. Therefore, there is no mirror image to it because both are flipping. So, for example, how this would work would be if you take our original point to -2 and change it to -2, you would then have your reflection over the y equals x line. It's as simple as that. Really.